Thank you very much, Miss Natalia and Jerry Organo. Once again, reminding everyone, physical distancing po, distansya po tayo sa mga tao sa ating harap at sa ating gilid. Face masks, face shields on. Ayan. Sasabihan po nila kami kapag medyo may nag-violate po dyan ng ating physical distancing measure. Ladies and gentlemen, the winning piece for the hashtag Angat Tayo Baguio songwriting competition is a call for action. The song shows Baguio's beauty in its diversity and resiliency. An advocate of mental health awareness and youth empowerment and development, and truly Baguio's pride. To sing her winning piece entitled Bangon Baguio. Let us all welcome the Cordillera Nightingale, Miss Ingrid Payaket.
Naimbang harapi, isang maginaw at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And Merry Merry Christmas. Manbinadang tako, agkay-kay sa tayo aming Bangon Baguio.
Kung naman.
Masalikun na inig ng kahapon.
Cordillera Nightingale, Miss Ingrid Bayaket. And now for his Christmas message, let us all welcome our equally hard-working City Mayor, Honorable Benjamin B. Magalong.
Daman nila kayo sa
ever supportive Congressman Marco, members of the City Council led by our Vice Mayor, Odoan, to Madam Solvo, ating pong mga kababayan sa tulad ng Baguio at ating mga bisita, at bago ko makalimutan, gusto ko rin batiin na aking kabiyak sa buhay, Arlene, sa inyong lahat. Merry Christmas, safe celebration to one and all. We are joyfully gathered here on top of Session Road to formally declare our month-long celebration of Christmas in the city of Baguio. Isa po ang ibig sabihin nito. Tuloy ang Pasko sa Baguio. Tuloy ang maingat at ligtas na selebrasyon ng Kapaskuhan. In behalf, therefore, of our city and people, let us prepare and welcome Christmas with joy and hope in our heart, with preparedness and competence in our mind, and with utmost spiritual readiness to be one with Christ. Yet in view of the time, Christmas in Baguio at this time should be observed in calmness, unlike the festive, jubilant, and carefree mood of the past. This time we shall endeavor to make it a safe and healthy Christmas. Isang Pasko sa Baguio na ating ipagdiriwang sa ligtas na paraan. Isa ang dahilan. Mahal natin ang ating pamilya, mahal natin ang ating mga malalapit na kaibigan, mahal natin ang ating mga kapitbahay, mahal natin ang ating syudad sa Baguio, at maging ang sino man na namamasko dito. There may be events that will take place this Christmas season, and there are some traditional activities that we will avoid, like Christmas caroling from house to house, like Simbang Gabi under very limited indoor gathering, like family gatherings and clan gatherings. Let these precautions be reiterated. Social and physical distancing of 1 meter apart, face mask and face shield wearing at all times, regular hand washing with soap and water, and frequent use of sanitizers. Let us not be complacent this Christmas. Let us not slacken. Let us not slide back to the old ways of being careless, reckless, and irresponsible, not only to ourselves, but to our family as well. Gawin natin ligtas ang Pasko ng Baguio. Ligtas sa pandemya, ligtas sa sobrang abuso sa kasawan, ligtas sa anumang panganib o disgrasya na dulot ng walang katapusang kasiyahan. What is imperative is how we will make Christmas in our city truly meaningful and relevant. We can only look back at the age-old Christmas story that began in Bethlehem and ended in Calvary. It is a timeless narrative whose work resonates far beyond the birth in the manger. Would you let us go back in time to visualize the nativity the first time it took place, because there was no room at the inn. An infant in swaddling clothes, cheerily asleep in a manger. completely at peace under the most deprived of circumstances, stark poverty in the surroundings, yet a time of quiet and holiness. The Christmas lesson is crystal clear. No matter how humble anyone can raise above it, no matter how rich, anyone can share the wealth of the gift with others in absolute need. This is the Christmas story that has been told and retold for years, year after year, to illuminate the pathways of life everyone has to manage and live. Ito po ang sinasabi sa atin na pagsilang ni Kristo. He was His Father's gift to mankind, coming to the world as our Redeemer, humble at birth, simplicity in life, a teacher for all ages, a Savior in time of need. This Christmas, let us celebrate the birth of Christ gifted by His Father to us, and be ourselves the worthy gift of the Lord Jesus Christ. As He cared for us, so we ask to care for others. Christmas in Baguio is now joyfully open. Let the colors of Christmas light up the pathways of a better Christmas in a better Baguio. Gusto ko lang pong ipaliwanag. Most probably, tomorrow, some people will be hitting us because one way or the other, some of us fail to observe social distancing during this event. One thing that I can assure you, I am taking full responsibility for what happened tonight. Kung meron pong may kasalanan, ako ang inyong turo. Kasalanan po ng inyong mayor. Kaya huwag po kayong mabahala. And so my wife Arlene and the rest of my family join me in wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a safe celebration to everyone.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor Benji Magalong. Again, thank you very much for your cooperation, Baguio City residents, and of course I think we also have very few tourists joining us tonight. Please practice physical distancing. Face shields and face masks on, please. Do not forget, ulitin po natin, hindi niyo po dapat nahawakan yung tao sa inyong harapan at tao sa inyong kanan at kaliwang gilid. Okay. Friends, the pandemic has also affected most of our local and talented musicians. As a tribute and gift to the city, the Musicians United Baguio Inc. came up with the official Baguio Christmas song for free. A round of applause for the Baguio musicians, ladies and gentlemen. This is entitled Tuloy ang Pasko.
Kahit Tradisyonal mga Pilipino salo-salo may discussion ng todo.
Thank you very much for your gift to Baguio Musicians United Baguio Inc. The artists are Athley Glory, Jose Marlon Barrientos, Mark Padil, Janine Barrientos, Ayon Glory, Ashton Glory, Dante Magallanes, Dexter Dizon, Miguel Salazar, Donna Marian Balmonte, Elaine Roya Tunuan, Mary Jane Montejo, Krista Giselle Seda, Karen Minerva, Cesar Salcedo, Bong Manansala, Brian Leclerc, Osiris Delin, Marzon Tongwan, Wally John Darang. A round of applause, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga musicians. Alam natin medyo hindi pa nakakabangon ng mga to, no? Pero napakagandang regalo para sa ating siya. Again, reminder, physical distancing please. I-check po ulit natin kung nahawakan pa natin yung tao sa ating harapan at sa ating gilid. Kung nahawakan po natin, medyo lumayo tayo ng konti. Face masks and face shields on. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Christmas tree echoes the Bendian dance steps and the nativity story. It binds the two stories together, which can be seen from the panels at the base of the Christmas tree. The posts that provide the support of the tree symbolizes us, that although we are separated apart physically, we are still brought together by the spirit of unity and hope, as the rings around the tree shows. Poinsettias and butterflies abound the tree, which symbolizes metamorphosis, a change that we are currently undertaking right now, a change for the better. Here's a run-through once again of the Highland Christmas story. Let us all watch this video.
A Baguio Christmas story. Traditionally, Cordilleran stories are passed down from generation to generation through word of mouth and through tattoos and weavings. This year, the decorations at our central business district shall tell the Christmas story portrayed through Cordilleran symbols and patterns. This is Baguio's way of observing the birth of Jesus, as well as celebrating life and unity amidst the trials and tribulations brought about by the pandemic and other challenges. This year, the people of Baguio, as well as our visitors, shall experience the Christmas story in a unique and special way. The theme of our holiday decorations shall be storytelling, starting from Moncton Square up to Session Road, and culminating to the Session Road Rotunda, the Nativity at Moncton Square. The story shall begin at Moncton Square, starting with 6 ethnic panels that represent the 6 provinces of the Cordillera Administrative Region. The geographical shapes of the provinces are inlaid in wooden panels using stained glass art brought to life by the colors belonging to each province. This sets the tone that in this season, we are united in celebrating the message of Christmas, which is peace, unity, and hope. The 12 nativity panels shall be lighted each night starting December 8th. Angel Gabriel appears to the Virgin Mary. Mary visits Elizabeth. Angel Gabriel appears to Joseph. Mary and Joseph travel to Bethlehem. Mary and Joseph do not find a room in an inn and settle in a manger. Jesus Christ is born in a manger, and the North Star appears. Angels inform nearby shepherds about the birth of Christ. The 3 kings, Melchior with a gift of gold. The 3 kings, Balthazar with a gift of myrrh. The 3 kings, Gaspar with a gift of frankincense. The Holy Family escapes to Egypt to avoid the order of King Herod to execute all newborn babies. The life of Jesus of Nazareth. The Bandian Dance at Session Road. From Moncton Square, the story continues with the Bandian Dance. This dance exhibits circular movements that symbolize unity and harmony in the community. It is performed for many reasons, some of which are for healing from illness, relief from natural calamities, and to celebrate a bountiful harvest. The kalasana, added to the decor, shows our strength, courage, and our unwavering will to overcome hardships. It symbolizes protection from the pandemic. In the Bandian dance, males form an inner circle while the females form the outer ring. The dancers collectively move their arms in various gestures as they follow the command and call the shouts of the leader. Inis Dukan, or Bimbaban, announcing attack and taking cover. Salawasa, announcing to the world that we are the bravest and victorious warriors. Ginitangan, announcing rest and peace is with us. Kinikian, announcing a challenge to the enemy. Inushangan, warriors proclaim their protection over the community. Inudian, turn or reverse to confuse the enemy. Pinadjasan, brave and victorious warriors start for home. Inabayan, warriors carry gifts and bring them home for their loved ones. The Christmas tree at the Rotunda. At the Session Road Rotunda will be the Christmas tree. This year's challenges have made a great impact in our lives physically, mentally, spiritually, and financially. But as the Nativity story unfolded in Malcolm Square, and the Banyan Dance provided us the spirit of overcoming challenges and coming home, the Christmas tree shall echo the spirit of unity and hope amidst the separation and distancing that the pandemic has brought to our community. The Christmas tree echoes the Banyan Dance steps and the Nativity story. It binds the two stories together, which can be seen from the panels at the base. The posts that provide the support of the tree symbolizes us that although we are separated physically, we are still brought together by the spirit of unity and hope as the rings around the tree shows. Poinsettias and butterflies abound the tree, which symbolizes metamorphosis, a change that we are currently undertaking right now, a change for the better. We have never been brought closer to home and to our families than this year, so we are showcasing this Cordilleran-inspired Christmas story to remind us of how rich the culture is in our home, the city of Baguio, and of how important family and community are. This is our story of how working together, coming together, and belonging to a safe place will bring us closer to overcoming our present challenges. We would also like to share this story to the rest of the country and to the world. May our visitors find this story compelling and open their hearts to the realization that hardships and a common goal to overcome it bring people, families, and communities together.
Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, hindi tayo mag-iiyaw ng Christmas tree pag medyo magkakalapit pa rin kayo. Again, we are encouraging you to move a little bit further. Medyo umurong pa kayo kasi mas maganda po ang makukuha ninyong pictures and view when you are far from the Christmas tree. Okay, physical distancing, face masks and face shields on, please. And if you are wondering regarding our large LED walls, this is of course brought to you by the Pro AVL Baguio, or the professional audio, video, and light suppliers of Baguio City. For free, libre po itong kanilang pagpapahiram, a gift to everyone and for the city of Baguio. We are ready. So now, we would like to request the presence of our officials who are right here with us. You will be led, of course, by our City Tourism Officer, Engineer Alec Mapalo, where you should stand. Let's start off with Honorable Levy Lloyd Orcales. He's here with us. Honorable Filian Louis Wagan Allen is also here with us. Honorable Lilia Farinas is also with us tonight. Honorable Fred Bagbagen. Honorable Vladimir Cayabas. Honorable Isabelo Cosalan Jr., Honorable Maria Mylen Victoria Yaranon, Honorable Elaine Sembrano, Honorable Lourdes Tabanda, Honorable Betty Bumogaw, Honorable Joel Alangsag, Honorable Faustino Oloan, did I miss anyone from the councilors, members of the City Council? Now we would like to call on Honorable Mayor Benji Magalong with Mrs. Magalong on stage, please. Honorable Congressman Mark Go with Mrs. Go on stage, please. Again, physical distancing, mga kaibigan. I will be assisted, of course, with a countdown by the mayor and the congressmen with their wives. May I also call on Engineer Alec Mapalo, our City Tourism Officer. And we have a guest actually, parang nakita lang namin siya sa tabi-tabi. At syempre medyo dumaan siya sa proseso, kaya siya nandito. Mr. Tim Yap, an influencer. A round of applause for Mr. Tim Yap. Ayan, to join us on stage. Pro AVL, are we ready? Okay. Okay. We're ready for the countdown. Again, ladies and gentlemen, wag po natin kakalimutan na baka bigla po tayong magtakbuhan papunta dito. Bawal po, okay? Atras po tayo ng konti. Are we ready for the countdown? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, everybody, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, Christmas is officially beginning right here in Baguio City. We now invite some of our officials for the community dance. A physically distanced community dance, please. Ladies and gentlemen, this celebration will not be possible without the hard-working people behind it. We would like to acknowledge the design and artwork of deckers and graphics. Architect Sheena Faith Carrion, Architect Daryl P. Lardizabal, and Architect Stephen Bruce Layugan. Special thanks to the following who helped in the accuracy or correctness of symbols and story. Vicky Makay of Onzon Ibadoy Association, Inc. Nikolai Fangan and Jose Cordillera and the University of the Philippines, Baguio. Dr. Maria Aplaten and the Teba Foundation. For our installations, technical logistics and program, the City Buildings and Architecture Office, City Environment and Parks Management Office, City Engineering Office, City Planning and Development Office, City Tourism and Special Events Office, and our sponsors, United Musicians Baguio Inc., our Pro AVL Baguio, Globe Telecom, and Food Panda. your support. She conceptualized everything with the help, of course, of all our other city officials and department heads. Tuloy ang Pasko sa Baguio. Beginning tonight, December 1, 2020. Again, reminder, physical distancing, face masks and face shields.
Siguro yung mga nandun sa bandang likod, yun yung mag-start na medyo go backwards na. Okay?
Ito!
Physical distancing, please.
Ay, ang natatap nung nagpas kay opening yung light na. Okay, natapos na ang opening ng light. Ay, sorry. Mas lang ati Flower Festival niya.
Kaya tirigat na nung napatong tulo yun.
Agugpuray jay balay na, ji.
Timig na pagtimig at salsala ko ito.
Uy, tala ka. Pato ka niya.
Nice one.
Sir, dapat nag-ano rin nyo doon. Uy, tala ka. Pato ka. Nin, adati agugbuya. Parang flower festival ngayon ah.
Ganda ni baby.
Awan, wala na yung social distancing oh. Awan ito yung social distancing niya. Naikat niya yung social distancing. Awan, nubigat, agnyos. Ano man ito agpas.
Insan, nag-trip ta.
Ano ba na ito ang positive? News na.
Ano, tayo.
Awan ito social distancing eh.
Ganda ni baby.
Nih, kita apa yang awat social distancing na.
Ganda.
Naigat social distancing.
Taga-Bagyo ko talaga. Taga-Bagyo ng Malacanang.
Nawala na yung social distancing namin dito. Ay, naka. Ito, ang ganda dito. Bye-bye. Sana nag-enjoy kayo kapanonood kanina sa opening. Ay, nako. Bye-bye guys. Good night.